Which is the longest river in India? Who is the architect of Indian Constitution? Which planet is known as the red planet? What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Which Indian city is also known as Silicon Valley of India? Who wrote The Discovery of India? What is the freezing point of water? Which Indian monument is also called the symbol of love? Who invented the telephone? Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Who discovered gravity? Which is the largest ocean in the world? Which Indian city is also called the Pink City? Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? What is the chemical symbol for gold? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Who painted the Mona Lisa? Which Indian river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Which country is called the land of rising sun? Who is known as the father of Indian space program? Which vitamin is essential for vision? Who wrote the Panchatantra? Which Indian city is also known as the City of Lakes? Which planet is known as the Blue Planet? Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Which is the largest desert in the world? What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Who wrote Wings of Fire? Which Indian monument is the symbol of victory? Which Indian city is also known as the Gateway of India? Who wrote the epic Ramayana? Who wrote the epic Mahabharata? Who invented the light bulb? Which Indian river is also called Dakshin Ganga? Who is known as the father of modern physics? Which Indian state is also known as the land of five rivers? Which planet is known as the giant planet? Who was the first woman president of India? The Great Wall of China was built to protect China from which group? What is the national flower of India? Which country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? What is the largest continent in the world? Which is the hardest natural substance on earth? Which device is used to measure temperature? Who was the first man to step on the moon? Which organ purifies blood in the human body? The instrument used to measure air pressure is called. Which is the most spoken language in the world? What is the study of earthquakes called? Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Which continent has the highest number of countries? Who discovered the sea route to India? Which festival is also known as the Festival of Lights? Which country is the largest producer of coffee? In which year was the United Nations founded? Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy?